Welcome to this BBSA video on how to make cord-operated Venetian blinds safer in buildings where babies and young children live or may visit. Many window blinds are operated by cords or chains, and some of these are formed into a loop. Without an appropriate safety device fitted, loops and cords represent a strangulation hazard to babies and young children if they can gain access to the blind. Making an existing Venetian blind safer is quick and easy. You just need to keep the cords out of a child's reach, as in this example, with a simple cleat. There are a wide range of cleats available, and your local BBSA member will stock various options. If you can reach the cords when the blind is fully lowered, you can cut the cords so they are shorter to prevent children operating the blind, but you will still need to fit a cleat to safely store the cord. The cleat must be securely fitted in accordance with the instructions provided. Typically, these are the type of simple tools you will need. The cleat should be fitted as high as possible so it is well out of the reach of children. For new blinds, this is a minimum of 1.5 meters from the floor. As we are fitting into wood, we just need to drill a small pilot hole. You must use the fixings that are appropriate for your wall's construction. For example, a plasterboard fixing for hollow walls or wall plugs for masonry fixing. The screws should be tightened using a hand screwdriver to ensure a secure fitting. Now the cord can be securely stored in a figure of 8 pattern on the cleat, like this. A simple way of keeping cords out of the way after each use of the blind. If you have lots of cord, use a large cleat or even multiple cleats to ensure all the cord can be securely stored. With some blinds, there are cords to tilt the slats, as with this wood Venetian. Determine how far the cords travel when tilted and how much cord you can remove. Cut the cords at this point and reattach the toggles with a knot in the cord. But you should still install a cleat on this side of the blind too. So the cords can be wound around the cleat after each and every use of the blind. Cleats are a simple and effective way of keeping cords out of reach, no matter what position the blind is in. When you are considering replacing your blind, why not choose one which is operated without cords or chains, or has concealed or tensioned cords? These blinds are inherently safe, and there are so many options available. You can see a selection on a video on the Make It Safe website. To see more information on the BBSA's Make It Safe campaign, please visit www.makeitsafe.org.uk. For general child safety advice, please visit the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents and the Child Accident Prevention Trust's websites. And finally, don't forget to use a detector to check for hidden pipes and cables before drilling, and to wear appropriate safety equipment.